Kamusta sa ating mga kababayan? We hope you're all having a wonderful day today. Welcome back to Pinoy Pop Culture, your one-stop shop for all things Pinoy and trendy.
Welcome, and of course, Pedro is here, always ready to dissect the latest trends. So today, we're diving into the wild world of social media and how it's shaking up Filipino pop culture.
Uy, social media, para sa akin, isa sa magandang chika yan.
Chika lang naman ang habol mo, Bogart. For the chika ang person. Uy, pero seryoso social media has become a massive platform for Pinoy content creators. Exactly, Penduko, di ba? We've got YouTubers na gumagawa ng mga hilarious skits, talented singers na nag-viral, and even our favorite celebrities live tweeting during teleseries.
Oo nga naman, Pedro, it's like dinedemocratize na ng social media ang Pinoy pop culture. You know, anyone with a phone and some creativity can actually become a star.
And it's not just about creating content, Social media has totally changed kung paano natin kinukonsume ang pop culture nating mga Pinoy. Kung noon, kinakaya ng patience natin na maghintay ng susunod na episode ng isang TV show o teleserye, ngayon, hindi na kasi there are so many streaming sites and platforms where we can binge watch online shows, di ba?
Pero teka, hindi ba't may downsides din yan? I mean, lahat ba naman ng na-encounter natin sa social media, paniniwalaan ba natin dapat?
That's a great point, Bogart. Social media can become a great source of misinformation. Mayroong pwedeng magkalat ng fake news about celebrities or trends that get blown away out of proportion. Also, with all the filters and editing, ang social media ay nagkikreate ng unrealistic beauty standards, right? Kaya, it's important to remember na ang mga nakikita natin online is not always the whole picture.
Yes, tama kayo. Social media is a double-edged sword. Merong magandang side, it is promoting Filipino talent and creativity, pero it also needs critical thinking skills para hindi tayo madala sa mga maling impormasyon.
So, what's the future hold for Filipino pop culture in the age of social media?
I guess it's all about finding a balance. We can enjoy the content, support our favorite creators, but also, kailangan din natin maging matalino about what we see and what we share online.
Exactly, Bogart. Social media can be a powerful tool for Pinoy pop culture, pero we gotta use it wisely. At the end of the day, Filipino pop culture is all about expressing ourselves, our creativity, and our unique experiences, and social media just gives us a bigger platform to share that with the world.
Alright, so that's all the time we have for today, mga ka-pop culture.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts on social media using the hashtag Pinoy Pop Culture.
Until next time!